Hello everyone, I came back today with a new video and a new recipe, but today it's so special. It's from my favorite dishes. I really like this dish very much. It's really amazing. If you try it, I'm sure you're gonna love it. For the people who like chicken, rice, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, it's the best choice. What it's really wonderful with this dish, you can eat it with rice or bread. It will be amazing. Whatever you choose, it's really wonderful. And the spices in this dish too, it's amazing. It's wonderful. I'm sure you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. You should try it to see if you're gonna like it or not. Let's see together how we're gonna make this very nice dish. At the beginning, I'm going to use this part from chicken because it's really nice and delicious. I'm going to use the white vinegar, yogurt, 4 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, the thick one, 1 tablespoon curry. After that, tablespoon garlic, powder of garlic, half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon nutmeg, half tablespoon chicken spice, and salt like you want. I'm going to mix the whole ingredients, I mean the chicken with the spices, and I'll put it on the side. After that, I'm going to bring a tray. I'll put in it 4 potatoes, 3 carrots, and mushrooms. Now I'm going to put a half cup from vegetable oil, and after that salt and some spices like teaspoon pepper, teaspoon curry, tablespoon garlic, powder garlic, and I'm going to mix everything in the tray together. After that, I'm going to put the chicken on it, and when I'm finished, I'm going to put it in the oven for 1.5 hours on 230 degrees. The first 1 hour, I'm going to put the tray down, and the last half hour, I'm going to put it up. Now I'll make the smoked rice. I'll put in a cooker 4 glasses hot water, a little bit vegetable oil, salt and pepper. I'm going to let the water boiling, and after that I'm going to put some spices. I'm going to add cardamom, cinnamon, carnation, chicken spice, and bay leaves. I'm going to put the spices in a filter like this because I don't want it to be mixed with the rice, and because the spices are a little bit chilly. That's why I'm going to throw them at the end. Now I'll put 2 cups of rice, which I washed before. Now I'll let it boil with high temperature, and after that I'm going to close it, and I let it on low temperature for 15 minutes. Now it's ready. I'm going to color the rice with the nice colors, red and orange. Of course, it's colors suitable to eat, and the people can eat it. Look at this nice red color. And now I'll add the orange color. It's really wonderful. Of course, it's smoked rice. I'm going to smoke it with a little bit vegetable oil and 2 pieces of curl. I'm going to close it too and wait for 10 minutes. And now I think everything is done. The dish is ready to eat. I'm going to show you the rice. It's really wonderful with these colors, and the smell is amazing. The smell from the spices, the chicken, the smoked rice, It's really my favorite dish. Now I'm going to show you the vegetables and the chicken. It's really cooked well together in the oven for 1.5 hours. Look at the rice, it's fluffy like a cake, and the vegetables are well done but wonderful, and the chicken too. Now if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button. And if you like the video, you can share it with family and friends. That will be nice of you. I'm going to put the whole ingredients in description box under the video. See you in a new recipe and a new video, and until this time, I wish you to be good and healthy and happy. Bye bye.